Without proper support, frontline troops don't go very far. At Eurosatory 2014, Nexter Systems presents a full range of support services, including this innovative approach for in-theater support.
Nexter System is involved for decades in proposing its customer with solutions well fitted to its need and to the vehicles of the fleets. Nexter Systems, facing the budget cuts, also implements global solutions to reduce the footprint and to support the customer through life. Nexter Systems support now the fleets of Howitzer Caesar. We support the main battle tank Leclerc and also the last vehicle VBCI. We have about 1,000 vehicles deployed and supported on behalf of the customer by Nexter. To do so, Nexter commits on a performance of availability of parts up to an availability of fleet. We commit also on a price per unit, per kilometer, per hour or per round fired. To enable the monitoring of these solutions, Nexter rely on a support control center which is based in our factory in Roanne and that supervise the whole fleets. Nexter Systems orients its strategy toward three axes. The first one is correct understanding and listening of its clients to propose solutions adequate through life. We have also a second axis toward a partnership. We are partner-free for local companies or local industries. And also, Nexter System wants to be still innovative in proposing new solutions and new technology in its services and products. As an example of that, Nexter System has listened to its customer, the French Army, and its needs in operation to propose a new solution of deployable workshop that my friend Mr. Tournier will present to you. Mr. Tournier.
This year we represent this mock-up of a deployable workshop for the first time on the Eurosatory exhibition. And this is a design from the feedback of the French Army operating either in Afghanistan or Mali or Lebanon. And they tell us that they were interested in deployable workshop for operation on theaters. So this is composed of three parts. The first part is the traveling crane anchored on containers from COTS containers, you know, this is quite ISO containers, and the specific feet to anchor it on the ground. And the ground do not need to be prepared before. This is just a bulldozer leveling the ground, and you can build your workshop immediately. To build this workshop, only 24 hours, and then you will get the traveling crane, the containers that Nexter is able to design and build according to your needs. And we can tailor a small workshop or a living area, as you can see behind. And then you will get an inflatable tent. It is an air support structure to prevent the maintainers and mechanics from working in the sand or the wind or the rain, whether you are projected in those theater of operation. We designed this solution to meet the logistical battalion, and it's important to point up the tactical mobility to help the battalion to move on the terrain and be able to replace this workshop within a few hours. The second advantage of this solution is to get a low footprint, no heavy structure, no need to prepare concretes and so on, so you can get a very reliable solution within a few hours. And the third advantage is to get modular items. You can separate the tent, the containers, and the traveling crane, or mix together, whether you want to get a global solution or a separate solution.